How's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. I'm going to show you in this demonstration that you can pretty much coat anything you want or paint anything you want and turn just about anything you want into a projection screen. Now, you've seen our technology when it comes to the TI-47. These screens thrive in light. I've done demonstrations in fully lit environments, even with the windows open. I've done demonstrations against the Dark Star 9, Elite screens, actually the Great Cinema 5D, and the Supernova DMP, which is Affinity and Blade screen. Also to it, the Firehawk G4. And you can see the advancement in our technology, but not only that, pretty much you don't have to be a professional painter of screens. You can use just about any kind of roller you want. You can paint it, spray it, whatever doesn't make a difference, and your screen will come out looking fantastic. And for those of you that are basically sitting there thinking, why paint it on? You can paint it on anything you could think of, and I'm literally not joking with you. Alright, so let me show you. We have 3 coatings. Actually, we have 2 coatings, as you're going to see. The plastic that you're seeing right here is coated with a new form of invisible screen paint, which we are working on, that pretty much turns any kind of plastic, such like that, into a high performance screen. Literally, you can paint this stuff, coat this stuff on plastic, and it will turn plastic into a high performance screen. Over here, this is a screen that's coated with the TI-47, and this is a screen that's coated with the TI-47. This screen is literally a blanket. Yeah, I said it, a blanket. This is a blanket. Sorry about that. So fighting my cold. Look at all the imperfections in the surface. This is a blanket. This right here, this screen, was made out of plastic. Yes, I use plastic as a form of blackout cloth to make my screen. Now keep in mind the screen is still wet, it's still drying. And these are the rubber tiles that they have in restaurants to keep you from slipping and breaking your neck. I have these coated, but that'll be for another demonstration later on. So we have a blanket we're using, our wool blanket, and we're using some plastic. Now, like I said, the plastic up top that's covering my big screen, actually it's not covering my big screen, it's actually the demonstration screen. It's coated with an invisible chemical which we just applied onto the surface, and these are using the ECLIPSE TI-47. Alright, now my projector is sitting back around 11 feet from the screen, and we're using this in a fully lit environment. So let's begin. And here it is right here for those who want to know. There's that TI-47. Let's begin. Alright, so let's remove this. Alright, and show you from the door what we got. Now you see how the invisible screen paint, the coating that we're using on the plastic, look how fantastic that looks. If I were to pull it out a little tighter, you'd be to see it a lot more advanced than what it is. It'd be a much more flatter surface. And that right there is the blanket, and that right there is the screen made with plastic. Alright, so let's begin. Now the coating, the invisible coating, is made by ECLIPSE. So it's going to be a new form of invisible coating that will allow you to turn just about anything you want into an invisible screen. And these are the TI-47s. Keep in mind, that's a blanket. Now keep in mind the plastic screen is still wet, so it's still drying, where the blanket screen is already dried. Alright, that looks fantastic. Let's come over here and just grab something else really quick before my time runs out of here. Let's see. Let's grab this from right here real quick. I think I started that. Let me see. Nope, didn't start it. My bad. You have to keep in mind the plastic screen is still wet, so it's still drying. When it's fully dry, I'll do another demonstration off of it. Pause this right here. Let's see if I can hit my switches in the back. I'm pretty sure I should be able to. I don't want to knock anything on the floor. Let's see. See what the screen looks like with the lights out. So you can get a chance to see the invisible coating and the TI-47 all at the same time. Like I said, keep in mind, that's a blanket. Now you saw those imperfections that was in the blanket? Look at the screen. Pause is right there. Go back. Put my switches back on. Let's see. I don't want to knock my screen over. There we go. Got my switches back on. So that's how easy it is to pretty much, like I said, look how fantastic it looks. That is a blanket screen. A screen that's literally made from a blanket. That's it right there. Let me, oh, sorry about the coughing. Let me grab a United States shipping box. Right there, and let me grab let me see, my roller right here, and I think I might have a little on here to do it real quick. Because I had some saturated already on here. Done. That's it. Take my screen, lay it against my blanket right there. Alright, come back here, show you this, what we got. That's a cardboard. My screen is still wet and still dry, and as the screen starts to dry, it gets lighter. Alright, I'm Kenneth Burr from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration on our technology. Alright there's a nano silver right there. That screen is absolutely incredible. Those screens have been selling like crazy. I hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'd like to thank you all for watching, showing you how easy it is and how you can think outside the box on designing a projection screen out of just about anything you can think of. There's no priming, there's no sanding, and it's so easy, literally your kids could paint the screen. Check out our new invisible coated. Can be coated on any form of transparent surface, anything you could possibly think of.